Hey VV Nation, welcome to our channel. Man, it's Tuesday. It's our next video in our series for stock picking techniques, and this is stock picking technique number 4. Folks, we've covered a lot of different things about how to use the power of the VectorVest system to help you to really hone in on finding good stocks. We track over 9,000 stocks, and what I use in these techniques is ideal ways to help you to really hone in on the stocks that are capable of really making money in these trying times in the market, even though the market's going up, a lot of different things. So keeping that in mind, let's get right into the software right now. And I'm still, of course, using the VectorVest system. That's what we always do. Today's pick or stock picking technique is going to be using the power of industries and sectors. Now, you can do that everywhere. One of the biggest things that I'm trying to dispel in this series is that you don't need VectorVest and you can get everything that we offer free elsewhere. And that is not the issue at all. So in all of these videos, I've been using and showcasing and highlighting the power of the VectorVest system to really hone in on the indicators that we have. So today, I know sectors and industries, you can do that everywhere, anywhere. But if we tie in some VectorVest indicators, it gives you pretty much a higher probability of being able to make money. So I'm in our Unisearch tool, which we did in our stock picking technique number 2 using the Unisearch tool. We're going to go back to that. I'm going to use something that's built into the system called Delta Searches Sectors. What is a delta? A delta is a percentage change. It's a terminology, it's a Greek terminology, and we use it in options as well. But it's a change, it's a percentage change. And what we're looking for in this search, as we open it up, I'm going to look for a 10-day price delta. And it's going to be on sectors. All right, sector price split adjusted. The delta is the percentage change. And I'm looking for the biggest percentage 10-day change in price on sectors, 10-day sorted, so that the sector that's made the biggest change in price will gravitate to the top of the list and it will be sorted further down. All right, so if I run it as of today, we're going to see what comes to the top of the list, and I'm going to show you a couple of different things. First thing, steel. Top sector right now, because RT ranking shows me that it is the hottest sector in the database right now. And look at this, it's up over 8.5% in the last 2 trading weeks or 10 days. That's what you're looking for. So we not only, and again, you can do this anywhere, but I'm going to show you where the VectorVest power comes into play. First thing I want to look at, well, it's ranked number 1. The second one is financial, up over 5%, and this is where the power comes in. The RT ranking shows you where they rank. I can go down the list and see where they are in respect to all of the different sectors. And by way of looking at their rankings, I'm showing you what we call the movers and the shakers. The sectors that may not be in the top 10, but that are on the rise over the last 10 days. That's the power of the VectorVest system. That's one of the main things why I like looking at delta changes in sectors. So steel is number 1. It's number 1. Let's go right click on it and let's go view the sector graph. Let's see what it looks like. I'm going to look at it over the last 1 month. We're going to put it on 1 month, and that's what you're looking for. If I'm looking to buy stocks in a sector or in an industry, I want to make sure that the industry is rising, and that is definitely going from bottom left to top right. Nice open candle today, a little wick. I got the 3 and the 8s. I've got the stop price. I've got the volume, and I've got RT. This tells me everything that I need to know in regards to if I'm trying to find some stocks, this is a place that I need to look. All right, so I like the sector graph. Let's close it. I'm going to right click again, and I'm going to look at the stocks in that sector. Now, notice that we go from sector to industry to stock, but I'm looking at all of the stocks that are in that sector overall. So if I look, there's 22 stocks in that sector. This is probably covering several different, at least a couple of different industries. Alloy steel, basic steel, those seem to be the only 2 industries in that sector. All right. So now let's go use the power of the software. when we're looking at a stock, we're sorting by VST, so the stocks with the highest VST at the top of the list. And then I'm going to also look at CI. Let's sort this by CI real quick. These are the stocks that go up more than they go down. Their resilience to big or substantial pullbacks in the market. Not only that, I want to look at the earnings growth rate. I want to look at the relative value. Again, these are only indicators you'll find in the VectorVest system. Relative value tells me the stock's ability to outperform the market over the next 1 to 3 years. You know what I want to do? I want to highlight all of the RVs above 1, good upside potential. All right. And all of these earnings growths are double digits and they're all buys. Boom. Let's go take a look at them. Let's go view the stock graphs of these, put these on a 3-month graph. Let's go see what they look like. So I'm trying to hone in from a stock picking technique, the best stocks by way of the indicators and the graphs for us to take a look at. Here we have CRS. Can't remember. That's a whole nother stock. That's a whole nother thing. I like the graph, but it's leveling out. It is bottom left, top right. Let's go see if we can find a better one. ATI, I like. The 3 and the 8 are still in good form here. Open candle today. Let's see if we can find a better one. USAP, I like the 3 and the 8 just crossed after moving sideways, coming up to a level of resistance. There we go. TS, nicely moving higher. A little pullback today, but love the graph. Let's go to the next one. Wow, GSM looks really good. Nice open candle. You know something? I like GSM. I know that it's got a level of resistance up here. It's a buy recommendation. Volume is okay. RT is above 1. I'm going to take GSM. TS, I don't like the volume. USAP, USP, ATI, CRS. If I had to choose, ATI, USAP, I'm going to take USAP and I'm going to take GSM. Okay, so I highlight those two, USAP, GSM. Now notice they're not the best in the list, but I looked at their graphs to help me to make a good decision. Let's write double-digit earnings growth. RVs are above 1. They are in uptrends. Our VST is above 1. CI on GSM, though, is not above 1, but I do like the graph. Undervalued. Let's right-click. Let's add them to a watch list. I created a watch list for this video called SPT for Stock Picking Technique number 4, Sectors and Industries. Click on OK. Boom. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, and the whole idea here is I want to look at the best 5 and take 2 from each one of the best 5 sectors to make my watch list of stocks. Let's go to financial. Let's view the sector graph. Do I like it? Put it on a 3-month graph, 1-month graph. I do like it. It's moving up, 3 and the 8. It's at a level of resistance. All right, let's go to the next one. Bank. Right-click, view the sector graph. 1-month graph. I like it. I love the 3 and the 8s on this and the volume. Let's go see instruments, right click, view the sector graph. And what I'm doing right now is I'm making a determination based upon the graph. And I'm not liking this one as much. All right, let's go see if we can find a better one. Let's go to paper, view the sector graph, 1 month. Bingo. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. All right, let's go to paper. Let's go right click, view the stocks in that sector. CI. So this sector has been beaten up a little bit. The CIs on the stock are not nearly as good. So next thing I want to look at, double-digit earnings growth, only 2. RVs are above 1. Undervalued. Let's go take a look. View the stock graph. Do I like them? 1-month graph. I like SLVM. I sort of like CLW. Love the move up. RT just went above 1. Bada boom. I'm going to take those 2. Take those 2. Add them to my watch list. Let's go put it into that watch list that I created. All right. Let's go to the next one. Container. View the sector graph. 1 month. I like that. Big open, new 1-month high. The volume could be better. I do like that RT just went back above 1. New high. Let's go check that one out. Right click, view the stocks in that sector. Sort by CI. Again, only indicators you can find in VectorVest. Undervalued, undervalued, CI, good double-digit earnings, growth. View the stock graph, 1 month. Pull back, 3 and 8 held. I like that. RT is nicely moving higher. Nice pop on GPK today. RT's below 1 in a channel. All right. What else has got double-digit earnings? So we've got one that we liked. Right click, view the stock graph. Let's go see if there's anyone else in here that we like. 3 month. Nope, not feeling that. Even on 1 month, still not feeling that. Sideways. I do like the up candle though. Loop could be setting up. 3 and 8 are closing up. If the industry is rising, the sector is rising, this could be an interesting play. Loop, this is going to be more of a speculative play. It's not, I like that the industry is pulling up. This could be pulling the stock up. Let's go with Loop. What was the other one that I did like? What was the first one that I liked overall? 1 month. So we do like Loop. OI. GPK. I think it was. Ooh, ATR looks good. Let's go with OI. Yeah, it was OI and Loop. Let's go with OI and Loop. Add those to my watch list. Put that into my watch list. Let's go see if we get a couple more. Container insurance. Let's view the sector graph. Once you get used to this, wow. Once you get used to this, this is not a bad way to find stocks. I'm going to take that. Very close to the 1 month highs, just coming off of the 1 month high. Let's go look at that one. Right click, view the stocks in that sector. And again, once you get used to doing this, folks, it becomes simple. Let's go to CI once again. Oh, I got to sell in here too. Double digit RVs are above 1, double digit. RV is above 1, double digit sell. Don't want that one. RV above 1, double digit, RV above 1, double digit, RV above 1, double digit. Are they all undervalued? Undervalued, overvalued, overvalued. Let's view the stock graph. Let's go take a look at this real quick on a 1 month graph. Nope, that's falling. Don't want it. That may be okay. It's close to the 1 month high. Also close to the 1 month high. I'm looking for what stands out. No. Yes, AJG. RV above 1. Fundamentally sound. Good earnings growth. I'm going to take AJG. Is there anything else in here that I would like? No. I think the first two were okay. I'm going to go with this one, SPNT. SPNT. And the second one was AJG. AJG, SPNT, right click, add to watch list. All right, for the sake and purposes of this video, let's go see what my watch list looks like. Let's go to viewers. Let's go to my watch list. How many stocks do we get? 8. Look at that. 8 stocks with relative values above 1 with the exception of Loop. Loop was I like the graph knowing that the industry was rising and that this was my speculative play. I already let you know that from the beginning. This could be a low dollar, good speculative play since the industries and the sectors are rising. The reason why I only took 2 from each, because I wanted to have some semblance of diversification altogether. All right. Again, for the sake of the time that we have in the video, I think that this is a very straightforward way of using sectors and industries and using the power of the VectorVest indicators to help us to hone in on stocks to take a look at. So all of these stocks have relative values above 1, which means they have good upside potential. The safeties may not be there on all of them, so they all become aggressive. The majority of them have RTs above 1. The CIs, I really wanted CIs greater than 1, but I also took into effect the stock's ability to grow their earnings, especially if I'm looking for stocks to cherry pick or to get into. Folks, if this was eye-opening for you and it turned on some lights, type the words lights in the comments. And this is what we do here. It's all about bringing to your attention the power of the VectorVest software to be able to help you to choose stocks out of the over 9,000 stocks that we have. Folks, if you like the content, make sure you hit the like button. Share the content. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, don't forget right now, hit that subscribe button. We're still steadily growing, but it's because of you that we're doing so. With that all being said, folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya. Hey, VV Nation, one of the most important books that I've ever read in regards to the stock market was written by our founder, Dr. Bart DeLito, the founder of VectorVest. The name of the book is called Stock Strategies and Common Sense. It will give you everything that you need to know about how the market works, the cycles, how to value stocks, and it's very well presented so that you can better understand and get a better understanding of how the market works. Folks, you simply need to go to www.vectorvest.com/YT book to get your free edition of Stock Strategies and Common Sense. Folks, you want to do that right now. Yeah.